Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, once again, this Friday I had a live session where I'm trading binary option. And if you lost this live session again, well, not to worry. It's a very simple fix, so you never lose a live session from me. What you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video. You don't need that, but you help me out by doing so. Then turn the bell notification on, because then you get a notification when I put a live session, okay? Also, I do send live every single time also in Discord. In YouTube, we can have like 9-10 second delay. So when I put my arm up, for example, like this will happen like 10 seconds later for you. That means when I take a trade, you see the trade 10 seconds later. In some way, it's possible even still to follow my trades because like you see here now, here I have a green line. That means when the bar come down to this line, I would have just pushed this up button you see up there, right? But sometimes I can think and I will do things a little different, okay? So that's why it's smart always to join my Discord, because there is zero delay, okay? So when I push up, that will happen exactly on the screen for you also. So in some way, if you follow me in Discord, you do not even need to put up lines. I hope you do, because you learn by doing it, but you can just push the buttons when I push them also. So completely up to you what you want to do with that information, okay? Also, if you're new, completely new to binary option and you want to follow me, you can do so. Just sign up with the broker that you see I'm using. You find link below the video. It's completely free to sign up and everything. And just start with a demo account, completely free, okay? Then you can join into my live session, follow with a demo account and see if you manage to follow. You can do this, for example, if you, for example, have just a computer, okay? Just one. And it's a small screen, you can put multiple screens and things. Then you can do on your cell phone, okay? So that means, for example, every time I took a trade, you can do it on your cell phone, easy. So, but just start with a demo account first. If you see you manage to follow and all these good things, well, then it's easy. Then you just can go in with real money if you want to. You don't need to, but if you want to. And if you choose to do that, you find also a promo code below that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Now, before I get to the results of this video, I have just one more thing, I promise. Also, you will find another broker below. That's the one I use for my second live session, okay? I have not been so good at second live session this week. I think I just did 2. I had a good one yesterday, by the way. We made profit. I had 4 trades, 4 winners, amazing. So if you want to join there also, well, you just use the second link and you sign up with that one. I have a very good deal with 60% of my affiliate income and all this good stuff, okay? Now, let's see what we did today. Today is a Friday, by the way, and you can see the way I'm trading. Green line up, blue line just following, but if I choose that I want to trade up there, I change it for red. So I follow the color scheme on the bottom you're supposed to push. Green for up, red for down, okay, easy peasy. And I only take a trade, for example, here now. I would have taken a trade, for example, if this bar here now turn red and come down to this green line. So I see that this current value is inside this green value here. I just push up, that's simple. Now for the trades of today. So you can see today we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We have 3 winners. That made us a profit of $74, so nothing crazy. But what we can do, as you can see, every time I take a trade, I get some cash back. So I can push this button here now, $26, that will be added here, as you see. Then we can add that to the balance of whatever today, $26. And we made a completely flat number of $100 profit. That's okay in a Friday morning. I will personally be trading more today on other brokers, on other account for this broker, because yes, I'm allowed to have more than one account here. Probably you're not. Also for other brokers, typically they don't let you have multiple accounts, because I am an influencer, I am allowed, okay? So just be aware of that. You can also see here now, if I push here now, you can see you can have more real accounts. You can set up so you have at think you can have 5 real accounts here. So if you want to follow me with one account, you can have another one follow someone else or trade by yourself, and you can see which one you do better. And here you can see you can open a demo account if you want to. I currently do not have a demo account here, I just have one real account, and I'm thinking about adding one more here to do more like a challenge. Start with $100 and maybe make a series about that, or do it live. I will see what I do. But this account also I started with $100, but that is very long time ago. Okay, and like I said, you can just start with demo account. When you use my link, by the way, you get automatically a demo account. I didn't have that choice, I just got without. But when I made so everyone, I force people to have a demo account. But of course you can have demo together with a real, so you just choose it here. Because I want everyone that follow me, I want them basically to start with demo account. So because I want people to test it first before they actually go in with real money. Okay. So with that, have an amazing holiday. Help me out. Comment on this video, tell me if you're following my live sessions, how you like it, if something I want me to get better on, let me know. Also other things like what I can say, how you're doing, are you in profit when you're trading together with me in my live sessions. And of course, like this video, help me tremendously by doing so. And you can see here now, for example here now, if I take a trade on this green line, you see he pinned it beautifully. And if you're taking a trade here, you see cash, you see. So it's easy to follow, and you could have taken this trade if you have been here now. So that's the cool thing. So once again, have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all in Monday.